Hey YouTubers, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Alright, so this week I'm doing a herb from this wonderful hair tea that I was sent from High Maintenance Hair Tea. And what I love is that they found me when I was doing my Tip Tuesday on Horsetail because this tea has a ton of herbs. So they gave me an opportunity to give you guys away this tea if you guys are wanting to try some of the herbs that I'm featuring here. So definitely check out my Instagram link. Unfortunately, the giveaway ends tonight. So please take advantage of it and get in on this giveaway before it is too late. So this tea has a ton of other herbs. I will list them down below. But today for this Tip Tuesday, we're going to feature on one herb in particular. It's calendula. Now, I didn't see a ton of information online about it, so I thought it'd be a good way to introduce this herb to you guys. Now, calendula is from the marigold family and is rich in antioxidants, in particular flavonoids, and that is really important to help reduce free radicals that may damage our skin and our scalp, and that can prevent hair loss, and that can cause hair loss. It also helps increase collagen in your skin, in your nails, in your hair, which is very important for hair growth as well. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help heal. And let's say you have dandruff or open wounds or eczema, it helps heal those wounds and promote like new growth or new skin, covering up those areas that are broken. And as you know, like if you have some type of dandruff or other forms of dermatitis in your scalp, this can cause severe hair loss from, damaging your scalp from scratching or picking the areas. So calendula has a number of properties, which of course I will put on my blog, which I will link down below. So definitely go check out all the benefits of taking calendula. Now today, to make this, I'm going to be using this in two ways. I'm going to drink this as an herbal tea, and then I'm going to use this as a final rinse for my hair. Now I've done pre-poos before, but this tea is very conditioning, and it is of course supposed to be a hair growth tea. So the longer you have it on your hair, the better and the more benefits you'll receive. So I'm going to go ahead and get to mixing this, and I want to preface this that I will be drinking the tea, but before you begin any herbal supplement, please go speak to your doctor before beginning anything, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get to mixing. So I begin by adding about 1/4 cup of the high maintenance hair tea. I add about 2 cups of hot water, and then I'll let steep for at least a minimum of 1 hour. The calendula in this mix is the pale yellow leaves you see here. After about 2 hours, I take my applicator bottle and pour the 2 cups of tea into it. I then make a tea for me to drink. I use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the hair tea, and I'll pour about 1 cup of hot water on top. After about 10 minutes in my favorite mug, I pour the tea out for me to consume. Okay, so I have my hair tea here, and I have my tea in my oh so cute mug that my friend got me on my first anniversary. That was 2 years ago. Now the tea is very sweet. I actually prefer tea without any sweeteners added, so I can really taste the herbs and truly get the benefits. I really don't like to add sweeteners to my tea. Now it's very sweet. It tastes like, I would say like flowers and herbs, a little bit of rosemary and nettle if you know what that tastes like. It's very good on its own. It doesn't need any sweeteners. I don't add sweeteners to my tea. So I have a 14-day supply, you guys, and I plan to use this as much as possible during the next 14 days. I'm going to try and track my hair growth, even though I am using other things that may cause hair growth as well, like the oils and the herbs that I'm using pretty regularly on my wash day. But I'm going to plan to use this hair rinse again as the final rinse. So I'm going to shampoo my hair, condition my hair, and then I'm gonna put this herbal tea rinse on my hair as a final rinse. So I'll show you guys the final process, and then I'll just talk about how my hair feels. Does it feel soft? Does it feel conditioned? Because the longer you leave that hair tea on your hair, the better the benefits and the better the properties you'll experience from the hair tea. So I'm gonna go ahead and get showered and wash my hair and come back on for the final rinse, okay? Okay, so I just finished washing and conditioning my hair, and I have my hair into 2-strand twists, which I detangled with the conditioner. Okay, now I'm gonna take this down section by section, and you guys, I recommend that you again do this in the shower. Okay, so just take down each section. But I would focus this on the roots. And work your way down the hair shaft. Make sure your hair gets fully coated. Oh, it looks really good and shiny. Can you see that? Okay. So saturate each section, and then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize using the LOC method to seal my hair and to put it all in twists, okay? Okay, I just finished putting my hair into twists. Let me tell you, this tea made my hair feel so soft and moisturized. My hair is very squishy. I'm really excited to see how this will dry. I plan to use this again in the LCO method, so the liquid in the LCO, and then I'll seal that probably about 2 to 3 times this week. And if I'm just looking for like a rinse, sometimes midweek when I work out, I just rinse my hair under the water. I might use this instead of just rinsing it with regular water, and try to use this as much as possible because it is a hair growth tea, so it's supposed to help you grow your hair long. So I want to use as much as possible as long as drink this tea daily. So if you guys want to join me on this journey and track your progress, I'm going to try to remember to take a starting picture, and I'll see you guys over on the blog, and I'll also see you guys on Instagram, and I'll see you next week for next week's Tip Tuesday. All right, bye.